Welcome to the attunement of the Bloomerang Game. Bloomerang Game is a tool to help you connect with your inner creator and get all the answers you need to gain clarity for your next steps in life. So let's begin. Imagine yourself sitting in a cube. In a cube that's transparent, which walls you can touch, which feels like the most beautiful oasis, where you are safe, where you can be yourself, where you can observe the surroundings, and which floats. Imagine yourself floating in this cube, where you touch with your finger a wall and the cube slightly moves in that direction. When you move your body, the cube also moves, and it is in full attunement to how you function. Explore this cube because it's your space. It's your space, it's your playground. It's how you navigate life. Touch the wall with one of your fingers that's in front of you and slightly push it. Do you feel how you bend forward? Release. Touch the wall that's to your right and see how the cube bends to the right. Twist a little bit and you'll get into another shape. Release. Touch the wall that's above you. The cube doesn't move, but if you bend a little bit backwards, the cube bends with you. Release. Touch the wall that's to your left. Swift your hand through it. Feel the plasmic nature of this cube. It's fully in alignment with how your body functions. It's your navigator in life. As we create the dance of our life, we need this navigator to guide us in the directions that we need to go. And we need to learn how to navigate this cube, our vehicle through life. Imagine a star coming out within the cube. It comes out from all the corners and fills the space. There's a center in it, it's a red dot. That's the connector through which we will rise into the cosmic energy. Imagine this red dot expanding and filling up the space. As it is expanding, the cube is starting to lift up. It's starting to fly. We are going upwards. We are going all the way up to space. We are going towards the source energy that's all-encompassing, that's infinite, and we're suddenly out in the cosmos. Relax. Look around you. See how beautiful everything is and how perfectly orchestrated the universe is. See the stars far away. See the colors, the beautiful shades and tones that surround you. All colors are there. This cosmos has everything you need to create, to live life to the fullest, to create abundance around you, and to share it with others. Lift up and try to move within the cube. See how it moves around together with you. Try to control it by touching its walls and telling it where to go. It's gonna go with you. Don't try to control from the will point, but just from out of curiosity with a desire to explore of what's around you. Enjoy the soft dance. Enjoy the atmosphere where you are. Absorb all the energy that's around you, the light that's shining towards you. Explore as much as you want. Fly as far as you want. It's a safe environment. You're not gonna fall. The cube is a safe space. It's your space. It's your navigator in life. Have fun here. Play with the stars. Play with this energy around you. It's a beautiful energy of light. Fill this cube where you are with the cosmic energy, with the pure energy that's crystal clear, that cleans you, that heals you, that nurtures you, charges you, that feels like the fountain of love. Let as much of this light come into your cube as you can. Remember that you can always come back here and see the world from this perspective of infinite creation, of abundance, from the space where you connect with who you truly are. And when you do that, that's the state from which we can then create on earth. So when you're ready, sit down back into the center of the cube. Let's thank this energy for charging us, for taking care of us, for protecting us, for loving us. Let's thank all the galaxies and all the creators that they're out there in this cosmic space. We are very grateful for you. And we can start slowly descending. Let's descend back. Slowly back on Earth, in our cube. And as you are ascending, look down, imagining all the possibilities you have to bring out into life what you are here meant to do. You have the full power and the support of this cosmic energy to create your own paradise on earth. How are you gonna do that? And what will be your next steps will be the intention for the Bloomerang Game as we'll play it next. Stay within this cube, don't leave it. Let's get all the answers we need from the game. And then at the end, you can open the walls from all sides. And just like the beautiful flower, the cosmic flower, start blooming your light into the world in the way that's yours. Welcome to the Bloomerang Game. Let's play.